What did you eat at home today? Find out what your friend ate today. Did you eat the same kind of food yesterday and today? We all eat different kinds of food at different times, isn't it? 1.1 Food Variety. Activity 1. Ask your friends in the school about the items they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different states of India. List all the items in your notebook as given in Table 1.1 for as many friends as possible. Table 1.1 What do we eat? Column 1 Name of the student or friend. Column 2 Food items eaten in a day. Figure 1.1 Different food items. In this figure, various food items are shown. Idli sambar with chutney, fish and dal. There seems to be so much variety in the food that we eat. Figure 1.1 What are these food items made of? Think about rice cooked at home. We take raw rice and boil it in water. Just two materials or ingredients are needed to prepare a dish of boiled rice. On the other hand, some food items are made with many ingredients. To prepare vegetable curry, we need different kinds of vegetables, salt, spices, oil, and so on. Activity 2. Choose some of the items you listed in Table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these by discussing with your friends and elders at home. List them in Table 1.2. Some examples are given here. Add some more items to this list. Table 1.2 Food items and their ingredients. Column 1 Food item. Column 2 Ingredients. Food item Roti or chapati. Ingredients Atta, water. Food item Dal. Ingredients Pulses, water, salt, oil or ghee, spices. Page 2. What do we find? Do we find some ingredients common for different food items? Discuss in class. So, where do these ingredients come from? 1.2 Food materials and sources. It may be easy for us to guess the sources of some of the ingredients that we listed in Table 1.2. Fruits and vegetables. For instance, Figure 1.2a. Where do they come from? Plants, of course. What are the sources of rice or wheat? You may have seen paddy or wheat fields with rows and rows of plants, which give us these grains. Figure 1.3. And then there are food items like milk, eggs and meat which come from animals. Figure 1.2b. Figure 1.2 shows sources of food ingredients. Figure 1.2a Plant sources. Different fruits and cooked food is shown in this figure. Figure 1.2b Animal sources. Hen with eggs is shown in this figure. Activity 3. Let us take the food items listed earlier and try to find out where they come from, the ingredients and their sources. Some examples are shown in Table 1.3. Fill in the blanks in Table 1.3 and add more examples to this list. Table 1.3 Ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. There are 3 columns. Column 1 Food item, Column 2 Ingredients, Column 3 Sources. Food item Idli. Ingredients rice. Sources plant. Ingredients urad dal. Sources blank. Ingredients salt. Sources blank. Ingredients water. Sources blank. Food item chicken curry. Ingredients chicken. Sources animal. Ingredients spices. Sources blank. Ingredients oil or ghee. Sources plants or animals. Ingredients water. Sources blank. Ingredients milk. Sources animal. Ingredients rice. Sources plant. Ingredients sugar. Sources blank. Figure 1.3 Sources of food grains. Figure 1.3a Paddy field. In this figure, a paddy field is shown. Figure 1.3b Wheat grains transported. In this figure, a farmer is carrying wheat grains on his bullock cart. Page 3. What do we conclude from Activity 3? Plants are the sources of food ingredients like grains, cereals, vegetables, and fruits. Animals provide us with milk, meat products, and eggs. Cows, goats, and buffaloes are some common animals which give us milk. Milk and milk products like butter, cream, cheese, and curd are used all over the world. Can you name some other animals which give us milk? 1.3 Plant parts and animal products as food. Plants are one source of our food. Which parts of a plant? We eat many leafy vegetables. We eat fruits of some plants, sometimes roots, sometimes stems, and even flowers. Figure 1.4 Have you ever eaten pumpkin flowers dipped in rice paste and fried? Try it. Some plants have 2 or more edible or eatable parts. Seeds of mustard plants give us oil and the leaves are used as a vegetable. Can you think of the different parts of a banana plant that are used as food? Think of more examples where 2 or more parts of a single plant are used as food. Figure 1.4 shows different edible parts of plants. It is divided into 2 broad categories, root system and shoot system. Root system is subdivided as primary root and secondary root. Shoot system is subdivided as bud, node, leaf, stem, fruit, and flower. Here is a picture of Paheli. She wants to know if any of our food comes from sources other than plants and animals. Table 1.4 Plant parts as food. There are 3 columns. Column 1 Food item with plant as the major source. Column 2 Ingredients or source. Column 3 Plant part which gives us the ingredient. 1. Brinjal curry. Ingredients or source. Brinjal. Plant part which gives us the ingredient. Fruit. Ingredient chili as spice or any other. Plant part which gives us the ingredient. Fruit. Ingredients oil from groundnut, mustard, soya bean and any other plant. Plant part which gives us the ingredient seed. Number 2 and number 3 are left for your activity. Page 4. Here is a picture showing do not try to taste unknown plants around you to see if they are edible. Some plants could be poisonous. Activity 4. From all the food items you have listed in table 1.3, choose those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants. Which part of a plant? Identify these and list the food items and plant parts. Activity 5. Take some dry seeds of moong or chana. Put a small quantity of seeds in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Next day, drain the water completely and leave the seeds in the vessel. Wrap them with a piece of wet cloth and set aside. The following day, do you observe any changes in the seeds? Figure 1.5 shows whole moong and its sprouts. A small white structure may have grown out of the seeds. If so, the seeds have sprouted. Figure 1.5 and Figure 1.6. If not, wash the seeds in water, drain the water and leave them aside for another day. Covered with a wet cloth. The next day, see if the seeds have sprouted. After washing these sprouted seeds, you can eat them. They can also be boiled. Have you seen a beehive where so many bees keep buzzing about? Bees collect nectar, means sweet juices from flowers. Convert it into honey and store it in their hive, as shown in figure 1.7. Flowers and their nectar may be available only for a part of the year. So, bees store this nectar for their use all through the year. When we find such a beehive, we collect the food stored by the bees as honey. Figure 1.7 shows a beehive. 1.5. What do animals eat? Do you have cattle or a pet that you take care of? A dog, cat, buffalo, or a goat? Page 5. You will then surely be aware of the food the animal eats. What about other animals? Have you ever observed what a squirrel, pigeon, lizard, or a small insect may be eating as their food? Activity 6. Several animals are listed in Table 1.5. For some of them, the type of food they eat is also given. Fill in the blanks in the table. Table 1.5. Animals and their food. There are two columns. Name of the animal and food the animal eats. Buffalo eats grass, oil cake, hay, grains. Cat eats small animals, birds, milk. Rat eats blank. Lion eats blank. Tiger eats blank. Spider eats blank. House lizard eats blank. Cow eats blank. Human beings eat blank. Butterfly eats blank. Crow eats blank. Others eat blank. Activities 7. Have a look again at Table 1.5 and group the animals entered here as follows. Place animals which eat only plants or plant products in Group 1. These are called herbivores. There are some animals which eat other animals. Place these in Group 2. These animals are called carnivores. Do you find some animals which eat both plants and animals? Place them in Group 3. These are called omnivores. Prepare a table as in Table 1.6 and enter these separately in the 3 columns as shown. Table 1.6. There are 3 columns: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores. In column herbivores, cow. In column carnivores, lion. In column omnivores, dog. Rest blanks are left for your activity. Here is a picture of Paheli. She wants to know where you would place human beings while filling Table 1.6. We know that there are many amongst us who do not get sufficient food. Page 6. We need to find ways by which more food can be produced in the country. That will not be enough. We will need to find ways to ensure that this food is made easily available to each one of us. Keywords: ingredients, edible, nectar, sprouted seeds, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. Summary: there is a lot of variation in the food eaten in different regions of India. The main sources of our food are plants and animals. Animals which eat only plants are called herbivores. Animals which eat only animals are called carnivores. Animals which eat both plants as well as other animals are called omnivores.